Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Keith's Place. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you've been here before, hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony Vlogger Kit. This is a grip which will allow you to control your Sony camera, compatible camera. I'm going to be using the Sony ZV-1. This is what I'll be pairing this with, the Sony ZV-1. This is what I'm filming right here. In this overhead shot right here. Speaking of this overhead shot, I just picked up this. This is a overhead shot camera mount, desk camera mount. This will be giving me my overhead shots. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it informative, go ahead and give it a like also. But let's go ahead and switch to this overhead shot right here and get on with the unboxing. We got a little bag right here. Okay, we got a box in a box. See what's in here. Okay, we've got a 64 gigabyte card right here that comes with this. It's a V30 and it's a UHS 2. Put that to the side. That's nice. We got some instruction manuals in Chinese or something. Okay, more instructions. I'll put this to the side. I don't know what that is. Anything else in here? Nope. Put that to the side. Box in a box. Anything else in there? And the name of this unit is the Sony GP VPT2BT. I'll put that on the screen. What a heck of a name. Put that to the side. Nice feel. Let's take a look at some of the buttons we have on here. You have photo, telephoto, your zoom switch right here, telephoto, wide. You've got your lock, and I believe this is just an on and off button, and you have your video recording mode. And this is your C1 button right here. You can, whatever you have on your Sony ZV-1 or compatible camera, whatever that C1 button, your custom button is on your camera, I think it'll just carry over to this right here. And this is also a tripod too. Okay, just take a look at some of the levers. You can twist this. This will tighten up into your camera mount right here. And this is able to move like that. And you press this button right here. And this will tighten this up right here, the movement of this. Once you tighten this down pretty good, oh yeah, that becomes much more stiff. And if you loosen that up, yeah, pretty nice. Overall, this feels pretty solid in the hand. And also there's a switch right here, there's a button right here. If you want to turn this head right here, you just press that, in. It's only on this side. You just press that in and you'll be able to turn this around. And it locks in place. Turn it until it locks. Just press that. Press it again, locks. Pretty nice. And again, it's a tripod. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side right now. Let's see what's in this nice little bag. And this bag, you can store this or keep this in here, a nice little travel bag. Sony right there, written on it right there. Take that back out of here. And there's something in this bag also. Wait a minute. There's a battery in here. Here's the battery. I'm going to show you how to install the battery. Now to open this battery compartment, you take your finger, pull it that way, and then you lift up. If I can do this, let me see. Put the battery down. Okay, all right, I got that open. Then this type of battery is a CR2032. Put that down in there. Now that's back closed. Okay. Now that red light just blinked. I guess that's saying it has power, I guess. And this lock button on here, I'm believing this is also your on and off also. Turn that off. Next step, I'm going to show you how to pair this with your, I'm going to show you how to pair it with Sony ZV-1. Now on to pairing your Sony grip with your compatible Sony camera. This is the Sony ZV-1 that I'm holding. I'm going to go into Menu, Bluetooth Settings, Bluetooth Function. You're going to turn this on. Now what you want to do is go back to Menu, go to Bluetooth Remote Control. You want that on. Then go back up to Bluetooth Settings, then go into Pairing. Perform pairing from a supported application. Okay, I'm going to put this down. Well, I'll just turn this around like this. Give me just a moment. Okay, now to pair this, what you want to do is hold down Photo and Telephoto at the same time. I'm going to try to do this with my fat thumb for about 7 seconds. Oh, I gotta unlock it. Make sure you unlock this first. Sorry. Make sure you unlock this. Then start again with the pairing from this grip. Photo and telephoto down at the same time for about 7 seconds. Okay, allow. Now it gives you confirmation right here. It says allow connection from device. I'm going to go ahead and just press OK. I'm going to connect. Now it's pairing. Now it's paired. Press OK. Now you're good to go. Now I'm going to test it out. I'm going to do a telephoto thing. And I'm not touching the controls on here. So that works. Go back to Menu. Then I'm going to press record on here. The record indicator should come on here. I'm going to put my hands down here to show you I'm not touching any buttons up here. I'm going to press record on here on the controller, record, and record indicator should come up on the screen on the Sony ZV-1. Yep, you see it right there, record, off. I'm going to try to take a photo, and I'm going to zoom in first. I'm going to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Show it better that way. Yep, take a photo. I'm try to take a photo now. Oh, I'm in the movie mode, but everything seems to be working, which is nice. Let me press OK for that. Now I'm going to now this C1 button right here, that will be whatever you have programmed up to be this button right here on the camera. It'll just carry on over to the grip. Now I'm going to show you how to put this on here and just show you how it looks on the device. Now this is pretty easy to mount on here. Just take that and you just turn it with this knob here. Just turn that from either side until it's tight. Now I have a half a rig on here, so it would be the same way if you were screwing it into the that's where it would screw in right there. If this rig wasn't in here, you would screw it into here, this little right there, little hole, right, screw hole right there. But you just tighten this up. And it has some rubber on here of the grip. The grip has some rubber on here to help make it stable on here. That's tight enough. There you have it. Pretty nice. Set it down like this. Like that. That's pretty nice. I like that. Now, because this is tight, this knob over here is tight. Now, if I loosen it up, if I press this button in on the side over here, then loosen that, fall easily. But if I tighten that up, it stays put as long as this right over here, this right here, this lever is tight. I like it. Very nice. Pretty nice. Let me turn this on. Pretty nice. Okay, I think these two make a perfect combination. The Vlogger Grip, Sony Vlogger Grip here, and the Sony ZV-1. Now I'm going to stretch my arm out to give you a field of view or an idea of, or just to show you what this looks like. I have my arm fully extended. This is 1080p, 24 frames per second, and this is standard steady stabilization. Arm fully extended. I'm going to bring my arm in a bit. This is about halfway. Right here, a little bend in my arm, just to show you what it looks like. And this is 1080p, fully extended. Now I wouldn't want to have my arm like this a long time. It starts to hurt. About right here is pretty good. Now I'm going to show 4K and active steady shot stabilization, because the active steady shot crops in. So let's go ahead to that right now. Now this is 4K active steady shots. No, just kidding. It's not that cropped in. Okay, I got my arm fully extended all the way now, and this is 4K, and this is active steady shot stabilization. So as you can see right here, it's pretty cropped in, not too bad, but my arm is all the way out. And again, you wouldn't want to do this all day or for a while, any long duration of time, because this would start to become uncomfortable. This is about my arm bent in right here. That gives you a better view right there. My arm bent in, you can see. Okay, that's better right there. So this is what, this is what to expect. And I'm holding my arm all the way out, fully stretched out. Okay, this is just a little walk. I'm in 4K and I have active steady shot stabilization on, and my arm is fully extended. Not too bad. My head is not cut off or anything like that. I am filming in 24p, 24 frames per second. Not too bad. and the camera is in full auto, the ZV-1. I think these two, the Sony ZV-1 and the Sony Vlogger Grip, are a perfect combination. I will leave links in the description, so if you want to pick one up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing so you can catch the next video that I post. And on that note, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.